Where to find the best sites. Plants and flowers by location. Hello. The best internet resources about. Is the bird's nest fern a houseplant or an outdoor plant? These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about is the bird's nest fern a houseplant or an outdoor plant? Is www.gardeningknowhow.com. Specifically the page titled Bird's Nest Ferns Articles, Gardening Know-How. Here's the link. You can also try www.hgtvgardens.com, especially the page Bird's Nest Fern Houseplants, HGTV Gardens. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site www.gardeningknowhow.com. The web page Bird's Nest Fern Plant, How to Care for a Bird's Nest Fern. This is the link.